Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're in East Prospect again. And as you can see, we got a lot of construction going on. These are some beautiful, beautiful properties. So we're going to just take our time, go through the neighborhood. We've got all the gadgets hooked up. We're the gadget man today. This says, do not sit on the wall. So they set some stuff up there. You have to laugh, you know? Oh, beware the bad dog. Beware the bad dog. Yeah, got a lot of people working around here. Okay, let's see. Is this a road to my left here, or is that just a little alleyway? No, it's a little house road. We'll go down this little house. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. I used my knee to drive in this left hip of mine. Ah, popped. Ouch. Ooh, that hurt. Well. Oh, I didn't even see that goat till I practically ran over him. Oh, there's some rammies in here. They might be. Oh, that one's a pretty skinny one, though. I don't think he's quite ready for Christmas.
Oh, but I drive, go out into the sea.
Don't go to the sea? Oh, look at the little island out there. Look at the little island out there.
They have coconut, 2 coconut trees. I see like somebody place sea. Oh, it's the same place.
Oh, that's the place that we were at,
yeah.
Sweetie. That's what that is. Yeah, that's that place, and there's a boat docked up in there, and they got some fancy stuff up in there. That's all part of that. See,
yeah.
Oh, they got some damage underneath that, where that sticks out. See that? Yeah. All right, I could have maybe gone farther, but I'm worried about the ground getting soft or something there. So let me see how I can turn around here.
You don't seem like
That's something about that little island out there. It's got a couple palm trees. You know, they talk about a desert island. That looks like that's a desert island that they show on TV and stuff, you know, or little cartoons. You know how they show desert islands?
it's three coconuts.
3 coconut trees and a little island.
It seems like no one living there. Don't look like anyone living there.
This wall needs a little attention.
Yeah, no, it seems like no one living there.
Yeah. Oh, some road apples here.
Some what?
Road apples. From those horses we saw earlier, maybe. You know what road apples are, right?
No.
Remember I told you what road apples were? They're horse poops. Because they poop on the road.
Okay.
So they call them road apples. See? It's like a little apple laying in the road.
They don't look like apples.
But they don't taste like it either.
Have you ever tasted them?
We're going to go down there, but we're going to go up in here first.
Well, it don't seem like there's any houses inside here, away from this house.
Well, it shows that there are. This is called Mermaid Crescent. But if I don't see some houses here pretty quick, I'm about to turn around. Actually, I meant to turn the other way, but now that I'm looking at my map. Woo, we're adventuresome people. We're some adventuresome people. Look at us. See? See? See?
And this is somebody's lot.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a sign. Look at the auto bill. See that sign there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, take notice. Take notice. Something.
It's like maybe when they
Means they're gonna build there.
I think something they get some
some approval or something.
Approval.
Yeah. And that looks like a duplex there with garages and everything. It's a nice one. Yeah, I had meant to take that other little road down the sea, but
Keep out private property. That's forest.
That just means let's go see what they're trying to keep us away from. Well, I need to go slow here. There's another one of those. Oh, this is a different kind of cactus, though. But it's got the little bloom on it. You like that color?
No.
Pink and orange? I'm not really fond of it.
Cut the road. Cut the...
Yeah, I want to kind of stay to the left a little bit here so I don't get in the mud too bad.
Well, I didn't. Only had two messy.
Uh-huh.
Only had two messy, man. Look right in here.
Right in here?
I don't think you should have that.
You don't think I can go through there?
I don't think you should bother. It's too much. Look at that long road. You think you want to go there? How far before?
Well, just up here, and then we'll turn. It just past that pickup. It turns to the left up here.
And then turn to the left.
Yeah. So I can go through here. Won't be a problem.
Because remember, the vehicle don't have that thing underneath the bottom there.
Yeah, I know. It's not gonna hurt anything.
And that is to protect it. It's some reason why it's there.
Well, it has to do with sound and stuff too. Whoa, stay in the car. The dogs are greeting us.
You think they can bite vehicle?
Huh?
You think they can bite vehicle?
They're gonna bite me up. Settle down, doggies. Settle down.
So you can imagine if somebody was walking around here, what would happen? And they have those dogs let go.
My goodness. I'm glad we're not walking. I'm glad we're not walking. Boy, look at the growth. It's the jungle there.
Yeah, it's thick.
It's the jungle. Well, that's it. They've got a nice yard. This house is pretty. These are some nice sized lots.
Yeah, the lots big.
The lots are big and nice. Mm-hmm. Look at the amount of trees you can have. Look how far that goes back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the lots
My goodness. I can't even see how far back it goes. Oh, maybe I can. It goes a good distance though.
See somebody. The lots big.
All right, we're gonna go back this way to where we wanted to.
So what about that?
We're gonna go back there. I didn't really intend to turn down that road necessarily, but I'm glad we did it. Now it's out of the way, so we're gonna go down this way and see a couple places and work our way back, so we don't have to drive real slow here because we're gonna cover it twice.
These line on the ground. Huh.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna go up in here.
I don't think there's any houses. Just go to maybe the beach. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, there's a house. Hmm. Yeah.
The ocean is right here. Don't bother go too far.
Yeah, I know.
Because I'm afraid next
Yeah.
thing this will be going down.
This is living on the sea right here.
You don't want to live out here, so.
Huh?
I wouldn't want to live like.
Okay. It make you turn too nervous, huh?
Yeah. See some wall is somebody's place here.
Yeah, somebody's getting ready to, or they at some point were, they got some.
Also over there too. See
Yeah, well, that's the next one we're going to go to. Well, actually, we're going to go to the one beyond that and then come back and do that one because that one's going to be the more.
This place full of water and it's somebody's place.
Oh.
And it's full of water.
You know, because
it's just swamp.
Yeah, because of all the rain. That's too bad. That is too bad. Well, that's a nice house in the middle of. We haven't seen some. Oh, look at the cat giving a big stretch.
The color don't look bad, you know.
No, and yeah, that seems like it's an older house, but it's nice. The window open back there, and this one's vacated out of here. People keep watching because we're not even halfway through. Don't stop now. Don't stop. Please watch and please subscribe. You know, we're getting some subscribers, but it's kind of a slow process. Views are more important than subscribers, to be honest with you. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, views are more important than subscribers, but at the same time, if you subscribe, then it'll show up on your list of videos, of recommended videos, if you subscribe. So if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe. And I know more than half of my people watch on the TV, and you can subscribe on the TV. Usually you have to push one of your up arrows a couple of times to get up, and then go to the right 3 or 4 times, and you get over to where there's a like button. You can like it, but there's also a channel button that you can tap on, and I think that'll subscribe you. So if you're not subscribed already, and you're watching on TV and you're not really, using a smartphone or anything for watching us, that's how you do that, people.
It's a beach. It's a beach.
Mm-hmm. Look at this. Look at this.
Dogs over there. It's a dog beach.
Oh. There's a dragonfly flying beside me too. Wow. Well, what bay is this? It's like a bay that comes up in here. This is, I don't know, but that's really something. And it's got a little island there too. And oh boy, this is really, there's some nice places along in here, people.
Oh, there's an island up there. Okay.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, there's an island.
Right at the mouth of the.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, there's some nice houses there. You really don't see the niceness of those houses when you drive by them, possibly, because the niceness is to the back where the water is. But those people love the water. Oh. We don't. I wouldn't really want to be quite that close to water.
No, I don't want
now,
to.
if there was a big ledge that didn't have a problem, that was rock, so you don't have to worry about it, landslides,
too much swamp and it, you know, to be there to make the house. I so quiet. No one in there.
Oh, that's a nice little home. It's not really that little. It goes deep. Goes back fairly deep. It's not a huge home though.
Yeah, I don't like runners, so it's swampy.
You wouldn't want to live here, huh?
No, not runner.
Yeah. Well, they're right off the water. There's water just beyond that.
Yeah, I couldn't want to live.
And in fact, over here you're going to be able to see the water maybe.
Yeah.
Get a little further, and you're going to have the houses on the left.
See, this is swamp piece.
See the ocean through.
See a
drain there. And
see, look how near the ocean is to this house.
Wow.
Oh, the coconut trees.
Oh, Drake's Cove Guest House.
Oh, is that guest house?
So if you wanted to stay by the ocean sometime,
you can come.
Yeah, and you know, just do it when the weather's nice. They have a little bar and lounge now open. At least that's what the sign says.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's right at the ocean.
Yeah, well, it would be nice to come for just a guest house.
Yeah, there's people staying there. You can see them sitting there. Unless those are just work people. But people
will come there.
Yeah. And then here, look at this. Look at this road. There's a house up in there behind us.
Yes, I see.
See it?
Yeah.
You couldn't see it from the.
Yeah,
that's right on the. That's right on
the
water.
Ocean. Yeah.
Yeah, because right here, the ocean comes right up to us.
So
that house there, that property for that house comes right up here to this corner, and then you can't
see a gazebo right there.
Looks like they used to have a gate here, but they got tired of it and they stoned it off. Oh, look at this house here. But look how the rust on some of the bars and stuff because of the the salt water. Oh yeah, look over here. We're on the water. The gazebo's just right on the water, sweetie. You could jump off into the water if you jumped off the gazebo. Oh wow.
The water.
Wow.
It's dazzling like diamond and gold.
It does.
Some part look like gold, the color. And some part like diamond.
Yeah.
Right? Some part like rubies. It's not gonna live. Look, it's two houses. One is really behind that. Yeah,
yeah, there's one behind that.
That's in the sea. And they're going to put another.
See, there's a little peninsula there.
Yeah.
See the little peninsula? That's where it's at. Yeah, there's a little peninsula there. And that house is on the peninsula. Oh, yeah. And then over here, somebody could build there. Wow. Well, what's all up in here? What is all up in here?
These must be some guest houses, you know.
Yeah. This is the circle. Oh yeah, it shows the circle drive on here. Yeah, it's just a circle drive here. Wow. Private property, nor soliciting, loitering, trespassing. Let's go slow here. We can see what's going on up in there.
It's Jamaican.
Oh, making a couple of nice villas.
Yeah.
Yeah, some real nice villas up in there.
Mhm.
Wow. Wow. You know, St. Thomas is really coming around, and you know, getting the new road
Mhm.
is got investors already looking.
Mhm.
You know,
Yeah.
look at that new veranda they put up on the second floor there.
Yeah.
That's new.
One is to that side too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you can bet there's one on the ocean side too.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can bet there's a new one on the ocean side if there wasn't already one.
No, I'm feeling hungry. So I
Brought something along, huh?
I pull those. I'm gonna eat this one this time. You're not getting it.
I'm not getting any.
This one. No, you can.
Oh, okay. Well, we've kind of seen everything here. Although maybe we'll see things a little bit differently from this direction. You know, I was about to say we could wrap it up, but I have more to do in this area. So even if we were to wrap it up, we'd still need to come back. So we'll just keep going here. Oh yeah, you can see that. Oh, look over there. Look over there. The palm tree.
That's it. Yeah, where the tree.
Is that the tree? Is that where the little island is? That's the little island. Yeah, that's the little island. You can't see that it's an island from this angle, but
so different.
yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah, there's some people sitting there taking it easy at Drake's Cove Guest House.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And the thing about these places, people, you know, we didn't even think about just, you know, you don't need a phone number. Just Google Drake's Cove Guest House, and I'm sure a website will come up, and then you can find out about it. But that'd be a place that would be fun to spend a night at, you know, and just, you know, just sit next to the ocean and then watch the sunrise in the morning, come up over the, you know, and just, it'd really be nice sometime. I don't know what kind of condition it's in, so I can't either recommend or unrecommend. Okay, well, let's go ahead and wrap this up. So we're going to end it right here, people. Thanks for joining us on Red Button Journal. We'll come back over here. That's for sure. But anyway, be sure and like, share, comment, and we need you to subscribe. Please subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later and
Amen.
amen.